In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set expiration date in DocuSign. If you've ever needed a document to be signed within a specific time frame, setting an expiration date ensures the envelope automatically closes if it isn't completed in time. This keeps your workflows clean and helps you avoid chasing stale requests. First, sign into your DocuSign account. Keep in mind that only senders or admins can set expiration dates, so make sure you're logged in with the right permissions. Once you're in, start a new envelope by selecting New, and then Send an envelope. Upload the document or documents you need signed, and add your recipients along with their email addresses, so DocuSign knows who to notify. Next, open the advanced options for this envelope. Look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of the envelope screen and click it, then choose Advanced Options from the menu. You'll see several tabs here, including Recipient Privileges, Reminders, Expiration, Mobile Friendly, and Comments. We'll focus on Expiration first. By the way, I've placed a link to DocuSign at the top of the description so you can access the site quickly when you're ready to follow along. In the Expiration tab, find the setting for days until envelope expires. Choose a custom number of days that matches your deadline. As soon as you set that number, DocuSign automatically calculates and displays the exact expiration date, so you can verify it lines up with your timeline. If you want to give recipients a heads up before the envelope closes, you can also use the Send Alert option to notify them a set number of days before expiration. That alert is helpful for nudging people without manually emailing them. While you're still in advanced options, you can enable reminders if you want DocuSign to send automatic follow-ups. Toggle reminders on, then choose how many days to wait before the first reminder and how often to repeat it. A reasonable cadence keeps your signers engaged without flooding their inboxes. When you're finished, click Save at the bottom of the Advanced Options panel to lock in your settings. Then, click Send to deliver your envelope. From here, DocuSign enforces the rules you just set. The envelope will automatically expire on the selected date, and, if you turn them on, recipients will receive reminder emails and an alert before the deadline. That's all you need to set an expiration date in DocuSign. If this helped, don't forget to check the link in the description, and please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.